everyone, today we're going to have a look at keyboard shortcuts on Mac. First we're going to have a look at how to set up generic keyboard shortcuts for all apps, and then we'll look at how to set them up for one app specifically. So first we want to click on the little Apple symbol and go into System Preferences. Then we click Keyboard, and if we click on Shortcuts and App Shortcuts, here you're able to create any shortcut you want. So in this example we're going to create a shortcut for Tile Window to the left of screen, and this function is available on most of the Mac apps, but it doesn't have a predetermined keyboard shortcut. So let's set one up. So if we click on the plus arrow at the bottom and leave the first drop down option as all applications, this means that you'll be able to use the same shortcut in different apps on the Mac. And then we need to type in the exact menu function. So for this one it's window and then tile window to left of screen. It's important that in between the commands that you type dash and then arrow so that it knows that it's the next function. Then we can type in any combination on the keyboard as our keyboard shortcut, as long as it's not in use already. Then if we go back into any of the apps, we can see now that under window, tile window to left of screen is the keyboard shortcut that we set up. And because we selected the all apps function, it means that this keyboard shortcut will work in all apps. Now we'll have a look at how to set up a keyboard shortcut for one app in particular. So as an example, we'll use Align to Top in PowerPoint. It's the same idea again. Go to Apple and then System Preferences. Then we click on Keyboard and Shortcuts, App Shortcuts, and click the plus to create a new shortcut. This time, in the application option, we'll select Microsoft PowerPoint. So this means that this keyboard shortcut that we're setting up will only work in Microsoft PowerPoint. The menu title that we need to enter is Arrange, Align or Distribute, and then Align to Top. Again, don't forget about the dash and then arrow in between the menu options. For our keyboard shortcut, I'm going to use Ctrl-T, but it can be anything that you want as long as it's not in use already in the Microsoft PowerPoint app. When we go back into PowerPoint now, you can see that the keyboard shortcut is to the right of the command in the menu. So that's it for today. Hope you found it useful, and as always, any questions let me know in the comments below.